Hello and welcome to the Customer Experience Centre, where we have two machines ready for demonstration. First being the FL3, which is our label and packaging press, and the second being the FL5, which is our single pass carton production line. Darren Shimmons, our Print and Applications Manager, is here ready to show you them in action.
Our typical FL3 demo shows us printing a water bottle label on a filmic material running reel to reel. We'll then transition and show a job change over to a wine label printed on standard label stock, and that's finished with a cold foil embellishment. The labels are then cut with our easy die, a quick change conversion system that's capable of changing the die in less than 60 seconds. You'll also see technologies like the Easy Reg, a cost-effective closed-loop camera-based autonomous register system designed in-house by eDale, as well as other technologies designed to save you both time and money, such as the job save and recall functions. On both demo jobs, we aim to print to the FL39L standard, which achieves repeatable and high-quality samples. We can then send these samples and other samples out to you upon request.
Here at eDale, our carton demo is produced on our FL5 single pass carton production line. We go from a reel of material to a finished highly embellished product in a single pass. The carton produced on our demo is highly embellished with cold foiling, cast and cure, varnish, embossing, cutting and creasing. You'll then see a job change on the press and the flatbed die cutter tooling as we switch to a pharmaceutical carton with braille. These are some fantastic samples designed by the team, and we have even more coming soon. We invite you to see any of your production jobs on the FL5 single pass carton production line. That's just how confident we are in its ability to match anything the traditional method can achieve. During the demo, you'll see firsthand the small amount of setup waste of just 1.5 machine lengths and the small production area required, as we virtually eliminate any work in progress. Carton production couldn't be simpler, as you go from reel of material to finished carton in just 1 minute. Only one skilled operator required, and in a single pass.
Why not come and visit so you can see for yourself these amazing machines in action and have a factory tour of our premises in Whiteley, Hampshire, in the UK. We promise a demonstration in a relaxed atmosphere with time to chat and have a coffee. And if you can't make it down, we can arrange a virtual demonstration online at a time and day that suits you. For more information, you can contact us on info@edale.com or give us a call and we can help you plan your visit. Remember, seeing is believing.